What's up, guys? Live from SM AutoLife. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I'm going to be doing a little bit of a quarter panel repair on my 2014 Ford Focus that I picked up for the price of 2 iPhones. If you guys want to know more how I found these really good deals and how I end up selling them to make a little bit of a profit later, make sure to subscribe and let me know in the comments down below if you guys want to see a video like that. Anyway, it's gonna be a quick quarter panel repair. If you guys want a more in-depth video, you can check out all my links down below. I do a lot more videos. They're a little bit old, but they're still fairly relevant. So let me show you around, and then I got a lot of videos coming out from this one, including detailing videos, quarter panel repair videos, and some other ones that I have in mind. So make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell. Let's get to it. This is what we're working with today. It's a little bit more than I'd like to be doing. It's gonna be a little bit hard getting this all pulled out here. I'm just gonna be using a stud repair gun here that I got from Harbor Freight. I would like to get a better system. It's about $1,000 versus this $100 system, but for now I'm gonna be using that. It's pretty thin sheet metal, so we'll see how it turns out. And whatever happens, we're still just gonna end up using a filler, filling it up, making it nice and pretty, and sending it up on its way. A little bit on the door, and a little bit of body work right on this pillar right here where someone tried to break into the car. So since it's all part of the same quarter panel, it's gonna be nice and easy to just paint it all the way down here. Definitely not the best way to do metal work. It's really mostly good for big dents and anything else that's small and body lines. Definitely would like to get a different tool. I will put a link down in the description below, guys, what kind of tool I want to get. And you can really help me out just by subscribing and liking my videos. That way I can monetize my channel and get ad revenue from to really be able to pay that and do more videos and with better proper tools. But the rest is going to get some fiberglass filler and regular filler glaze primer, and that's going to be it. So after doing the rough metal work, I filled it up with some fiberglass reinforced filler, roughed it out a little bit to get the general shape. Now I'm going to put some regular filler and start really cleaning up those body lines. Same thing with the door. Over here, I don't need much, so I'll probably just use finishing glaze and finish the repairs by that door, and I get it ready for primer. Ready for primer. It's not completely perfect right here. It's a little bit sunk in. I wasn't able to get the metal completely out, but the body line's there, and should be good enough when we paint it. Everything's prepped out, ready to spray. I'll show you guys the end results. I'm not going to be recording me spraying. If you guys want to see that, I might have a video of that somewhere else. I'll put a link down in the description of a few videos, but I'll have the end results down below. Leave a few comments, guys. Thanks for watching. Surprisingly, the color matched really well. Usually it's pretty hard, especially with this being a candy tri-coat.